guys, it's I'm Diva, and there's Boom. And in our previous video, we showed you our chicken, and sadly, it didn't die. That's a good thing, right? So, we're gonna see it again because, like, who doesn't want to mess with the chicken that's randomly in their backyard? The good thing the cat didn't eat it. It's trying to devour and devour. Oh, it's flying. Oh my gosh. I didn't know this, but chickens, I think it's calling for other chickens. Boy, I'm out of here.